Have you ever wondered why you behave like your parents? Why some people are naturally calm while others are anxious? Or why certain talents seem to run in families? The answer may be hidden in your genes. In this video, you will discover how genetics influences your behavior, personality, and mental processes in a simple and powerful way. What is genetics in psychology? Genetics is the study of how traits are passed from parents to children. In psychology, it helps us understand how your DNA affects personality, intelligence, emotions, and behavior. Think of it as the biological blueprint of who you are. Nature versus nurture. One of the biggest questions in psychology is, are you shaped by your genes or your environment? This is called the nature versus nurture debate. Nature equals your genes. Nurture equals your environment and experiences. The truth is, both work together to shape who you become. How genes influence behavior. Your genes don't control you completely, but they influence your tendencies. For example, some people are genetically more prone to anxiety. Some have higher intelligence potential. Some are more emotionally sensitive. Genes create possibilities, not fixed outcomes. Twin studies explained. Scientists study twins to understand genetics. There are two types. Identical twins, they share 100% of the same genes. Fraternal twins, they share about 50% of genes. If identical twins behave more similarly than fraternal twins, it shows that genetics plays a strong role. Family studies. Researchers also study families. If certain behaviors or disorders run in families, it suggests a genetic influence. For example, depression, anxiety disorders, intelligence patterns. But environment still plays a role. Genetics and mental health. Many mental health conditions have genetic links. These include depression, anxiety disorders, schizophrenia, ADHD. But having a gene does not guarantee you will develop the condition. Environment and lifestyle matter too. Gene-environment interaction. This is where things get interesting. Your genes interact with your environment. For example, a stressful environment may activate certain genes. A supportive environment may reduce risks. This means your life choices still matter. Can you change your genetic destiny? Yes, to some extent. While you cannot change your DNA, you can change how your genes are expressed. This is called epigenetics. Healthy habits can positively influence your brain and behavior. Genetics in daily life. Every day, your genes influence how you think, feel, and act, but they don't define your future. You are a combination of biology and experience. Your DNA may shape your starting point, but your choices shape your journey. Understanding genetics helps you realize you are not fixed, you are constantly evolving.